Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove your tags from multiple videos on Facebook using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple and efficient process to clean up your online presence by untagging yourself from unwanted content. First, let's get started by opening Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings and features related to your account. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to manage different aspects of your Facebook experience, including how your information is displayed and shared. From here, select Activity Log. The Activity Log is a comprehensive record of all your interactions on Facebook, including posts, comments, and tags. Under your Facebook activity, click on Activity you're tagged in. This will show you a list of all the posts, photos, and videos where you've been tagged. To focus specifically on videos, select photos and videos you're tagged in from the options provided. This will filter the content to only show multimedia files where you've been mentioned. Now it's time to remove those unwanted tags. Check the boxes next to each video from which you want to remove your tag. You can select multiple videos at once, making it easy to clean up your timeline efficiently. Once you've selected all the videos, click on the Remove Tags button. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, which is a safety measure to ensure you're intentionally removing these tags. Confirm the step, and your name will be removed from those videos. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily manage your online presence on Facebook, ensuring that only the content you want is associated with your profile. This process not only helps maintain a clutter-free timeline, but also gives you more control over how you're represented online. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.